One Day is very much a location film. I thought the gifts we could get from all these different places and the way the story develops over the years in so many places and so many little corners helps you get a lot of information and a lot of layering underneath a quite simple classic love story. The moving around itself has, to a certain extent, defined the style of the film. It's almost 20 little films that are cut together. Arthur's Seat is one of the main sights of Edinburgh. It's a mountain that overlooks Edinburgh, and on their first encounter, Emma takes Dexter there. I'm glad it worked out to shoot there, because it's where they go in the book. In the book, one day they go to Greece, Emma and Dexter on holiday one summer. For various reasons, we decided to shoot that in France. We thought, because the film takes place on the same date over 20 years, I wanted to make sure that we emphasize the dawn and the dusk more than you usually do. Blue lights, dusk, the atmosphere, the feeling of being in a blue sports car on French roads would add something to the film. David Nichols loves Paris and has a relation to that particular area in Paris. He and I talked about that we try to stay away from an overly romantic Paris, film Paris. But then as we started working and shooting, we sort of said, okay, let's have some staircases, okay, let's have some pigeons, oh, and there's a little boat, and why don't we include that? And today, and even on the day we shot, we thought, okay, that's right, why not go for it? This is a romance, we are in Paris, let's get the best out of that. Since Emma and Dexter live in different areas all the time, I thought we needed to root all these locations in one spectacular place where you see the London skyline, you see the London Eye, which was built at the Millennium, St. Paul's Cathedral, Big Ben, that you know where you are, and it all adds up to something that's authentic. It's such a privilege to get to shoot a film that takes place in places that are stunning.